Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure payments using Square for mobile apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring payments using Square for your mobile app, start by creating a Square account. Visit the Square website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your personal and business information as prompted. Once registered, log in to your Square account to access the dashboard. Next, navigate to the Developers section in the dashboard. Select Get Started with Square API to view the API documentation. Download the appropriate SDK for your mobile applications platform, whether it's iOS or Android. Follow the provided installation instructions to integrate the Square SDK into your app. After installation, create an application in the Square Developer dashboard. Take note of your application's credentials, including the application ID and access token. In your mobile app, set up the Square client by initializing it with your application ID. Next, implement the payment flow in your app by using the Square payment forms. Create a checkout button within your app that triggers the payment process. When a user clicks the checkout button, present the Square payment form. Ensure that you handle user input securely by following best practices for sensitive information. Once the user completes the payment, confirm and process the transaction. Handle any errors that may occur during the payment process to enhance user experience. Finally, test your implementation thoroughly in both sandbox and live environments. Make sure to monitor transactions through the Square dashboard to verify successful payment processing. With these steps complete, your app is now configured to accept payments using Square. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.